Multi-factor authentication MFA adds an extra layer of security to your DoorLoop account. Follow these steps to enable MFA and protect your account. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your DoorLoop account by entering your username and password. Make sure you're using a secure network to prevent unauthorized access. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, locate the settings menu, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on settings and then select security from the options available. Step 3. Find MFA options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use a sort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your MFA method. Select your preferred method of MFA. Common options include using an authentication app like Google Authenticator, receiving SMS codes, or email verification. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your MFA method, you may need to verify by entering a code sent to your device. Once verified, ensure you save your changes to activate MFA on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your DoorLoop account with multi-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication methods secure and updated.